Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mansa Studio. Today's video is an extreme room makeover. I'm sure you guys will love this and watch the video till end without skipping so that you won't miss anything, guys. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. The makeover is my younger sister's room, guys. This is her bedroom. So let's have a look how it is right now. It's completely messy, guys. Yes, it's really messy here, and that's because my younger sister was staying away from us for so long time and now she's staying with us. She's back to our home, so we thought we will just remove all the old curtains and just renovate it and give it a new look. So yeah, let's clean. Now before cleaning it and renovating it, I just want you guys to see how it looks before or now. It's really shabby, I know that, guys, and I'm extremely embarrassed to show. We used to use this as a storeroom because no one comes here. So as you guys had a look, let's start the process. I started by cleaning the office table or the study table. As this room is really small, we thought of incorporating the study table in the wardrobe section itself so that we minimize the wastage of space, and also we have the study table. I cleaned all the items on the table, guys. I'm just checking what is useful and what has to be discarded. There were a lot of papers, lot of stationery. I even found my lost earrings and other items like cardboards, Amazon cardboards, Flipkart cardboards, and some of the items I discarded which was not needed, that is some bills and all. These were the briefcases which we had, the luggage items. I just cleaned the briefcases and the luggages and I shifted it to my room. I will think about it where I have to keep this. Some of the newspapers which were really useful, I kept them inside the cupboards. I'm almost done with this section, people. I just threw whatever was not needed and kept the useful ones. Let's shift to the next corner. And the next corner is this one. These are my cosmetics which are done, which are empty. And I just put it in a bag and I'm just keeping it outside. Now this is how the room looks right now, guys. The study table has been emptied. And this corner has also been emptied. The useful items are kept still on the luggage. And now I started dusting. I took a dry cloth and started dusting the study table and the wardrobes. Now this ensures when I put a wet cloth onto these wardrobes, it doesn't come sticky or dirty. So let's come to the next corner of this room, guys, and that is the mirror section, that is the dressing table. There were a lot of items which were not touched for years, literally like a couple of years. I needed another plastic bag, guys, so I can discard the rest of the items. So basically we had our body shampoos and moisturizers, room fresheners and everything stored here. So we don't have a cabinet in our washroom, guys. That's the reason we used to store all the toiletries here. After removing everything, I started by dusting it all over again, like how I did with my study table, to ensure when I apply the wet cloth or use the wet cloth, it comes out easily. I'm done dusting with it, guys. Let me show you a closer look, and this is how it looks right now. Now I'm cleaning it with wet cloth. This way all the dirt comes off. Cleaning the mirror as well. Done cleaning with wet cloth, guys. I'm starting to arrange all the items which has to be placed here. These are my scrubs, my shampoos, conditioners, hair dryer, perfumes, and daily use moisturizers, powders. I just went to bring some more items, guys, which I thought I will be placing it here. And those are my face moisturizers, straightener, and my sister's hair dryer, and some combs and serums. That's it. I was even having this iron machine, which I thought I would be placing it there because it was wandering all over the home. And yeah, that's how it looks right now. I'm so obsessed with how it looks right now, guys. It's so organized. Super duper satisfied with this look. Done with this section, guys. Next, moving on to the window section. This window section is such an area which collects all the dirt. So what I'm doing is I'm using my vacuum cleaner and grabbing all the dust and dirt which is collected here. The little technique I learned is when you're doing vacuum cleaning with the windows, you first use the blower and then use the vacuum cleaner. This way, whatever dust and dirt you have in the window corners and the panes just comes out, and it will be easier for you to grab it up when you use the vacuum section. Also, some of the dust flies off outside and it's easier for you to clean it up. Done using vacuum cleaner here, guys. I just shifted to cleaning it with wet cloth outside as well as inside. While I'm cleaning this, please subscribe to my channel, guys. You have to search Mansa Studio and scroll it down, and this is my channel, Mansa Studio. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get instant notification when I upload a video. Coming back, I cleaned all the windows, guys. I also cleaned the walls using same technique, that is dusting it first and then cleaning it with wet cloth. You guys can still see that it's drying. All my wardrobes, I cleaned everything, and the floor is still the same. And now I'm going to focus on the bed section and the floor section, guys. I will be cleaning all the items on the floor and changing the bed sheets. And there comes to the end of the part 1. Thank you so much for watching part 1, guys. That is Clean With Me. I will be posting part 2 in next 2 to 3 days. I'm sure you all are waiting how the final look is. Do not miss the final makeover video. I'm sure you all will love that. And stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe to my channel, Mansa Studio. Bye-bye.